Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl NonoObi. Yes, with a beautiful face. If you don't agree, you can agree with yourself. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about 5 businesses that you can do online without having to invest money. What it is, guys, and the fourth number is just the bomb. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. Yes guys, it's still the real deal in this internet world. It's still the real deal. How do you just do this? You just go to the brand or the company you plan on working with. When you register with them, you go to their website and you pick out these products you feel that your friends are gonna like, you feel that you can sell. You go to their what is it called, their website, you pick out the links of these products and you put it up on your own page. See guys, the way it works is when you sell this from your page, when people rely on you and buy this from your page, a certain percentage comes to you and the certain goes to the company. Yes guys, even though it might not be so much big money, but guy, you're getting money without having to invest a penny. And another thing I might say, another thing you might be worried about or you might be concerned about, that most people are concerned about, is having a big platform for this. Yes, because most times influencers try to put out something that people would like to buy and people start to buy it. Yes, you might feel that you're not big enough, like you don't have a wide coverage of people that will actually trust to buy things from you guys. Don't allow that to push you back. Don't allow that to relent you. Yes, so when these products are being bought from you, certain percentage comes to you. You can even go to Amazon. Amazon has affiliate marketing page. You can also register and begin to pick links of products you feel that you can sell on their site and begin to put it on your own site, and when people buy, you get a certain amount of it. So guys, our advice, you try to look into affiliate marketing. It doesn't matter your age, just try to be knowledgeable about it. Go to the company you feel you're going to sell something from, you feel that you can work with. Just go there, talk to them, send them email, go to their website. Most companies now on their website has this affiliate marketing thing going on their website because they also want to generate revenue. Yes, they're helping you and you're in turns helping them. Yes, and they're helping you mostly because you're starting up this with zero money. And number 2 here is my terms. It's what I call 2 squad. This is my terms, guys. It's not on the textbook, it's not in the textbook, it's not anywhere. This is just my term. I call it 2 squad. What do I mean by that? Let me break it down for you. What I mean by that is, your friend is selling a product. Your friend goes to Dubai, right, and comes back with so many goods and of course self-pamper, Brazilian hair, shoes and all. And your friend has a big boutique in Lagos, in Port Harcourt, stuff like that. I call it 2 squad. Remember, this is my term. 2 squad is not anywhere. Yes, you can actually meet up with your friend that has the boutique. Don't feel bad, don't feel, most times pride takes us back. Just remove pride from it. Go to that your friend that has this big boutique, meet up with her and tell her, girl, okay, you have these products, you have these goods, you have this goods, you have these products in your stock. Okay, I want to sell, but you tell me what you're selling and I sell and give you what you said you're selling. I don't know if you understand. If she says she's selling 10,000, you can sell 11,000 or 12,000 and give her back the balance. You see, you're starting up this business with zero finance. You can't stay in your house and expect money to come to you and expect not to do anything and money just lands on your table. You can do that. What am I even saying? You can open an Instagram page and most of that her goods or most of that her products she has in stock. You can put it up on your page and act like you're the one who is of course who is selling it, which ironically you're the one who is selling it. You can put it up there and sell it up and it goes and people comes and buys it from you and you give her what is supposed to be hers. Another example in this two squad I can say, okay, I have a friend in Lagos. I have a friend, she's not a tailor, but what she does is she meets clients in the offices and various places and shows what she has on her booklet, shows the design she has, and she's not the one sewing it, but she acts as a tailor. And when these people are game to sew, when these people are interested, she gets the material, takes the measurement. You're going to know the basic, and the basic is knowing how to measure. Takes their measurement and take it to a tailor to sew and bring it back for them. Most 90% of these people doesn't even know that particular person they're dealing with is not a tailor. And number 3 here is coaching and consulting. Guys, if you have this brain, why are you just leaving it? Why are you just leaving this brain for Netflix and what have you? If you have this brain, divert it to coaching and consulting. If you're an expert in writing, in cooking, in baking, you can you can package this thing very well. You can be a coach, you can become a consultant, you can consult in these fields. Yes, if you like to write and consult, you can open up a page where you tell people this is what you write. You coach people to write letter, formal letter, informal letter, CVs, portfolios, and every other thing, and you can get money from that. People can also consult you, and you can also get money for that. Don't just relax and keep this brain dead. Do something and get money out of it. Do something and get money out of it. Or you have degree, you're very excellent student, you have your A-level degree, you know, in whatever field of study you did. You can write projects for people and take this money. You can just diversify. You can use your brain and convert it to money. That is why I call this third one coaching and consulting. And the fourth one I'm trying to say now, which I told you guys to wait and listen to, is what? E-marketing. Why is this one the biggest for me? This one is biggest for me actually because you're just at the comfort of your home, sitting down and making money. Yes, e-marketing, sitting down and making money. These things that you already know how to write, these projects that you already know how to write, this knowledge that you already know you're very good at, baking, cooking, baking, and other things. You can actually make it in an ebook. Yes, you can write how to bake, how to cook, how to do this, how to write your project, basically how to do various things, how to get natural hair, how to make your hair shiny, how to sew clothes, all these things. If you know how to do it already, you can write your books and put it on internet and people buy, and of course in turns you get revenue. That is why this is actually the best for me, because you're doing it at the comfort of your home, you're doing it at the comfort of your house. Yes, so for me this is just basically the best. Putting a course together, selling your knowledge online, digital products, creating templates for people, rebranding people's pages, rebranding companies, doing adverts for companies. Okay, example, in this world of Instagram right now, like the Reels thing, you can meet up a company and tell them that you can advertise for them. You can do this, basically this Reels thing for them, because Reel reaches wider range of people. So, and so many companies don't have time for this, to be creating Reels all the time and waiting for when Instagram is going to push out their Reels. So you can actually be their branding marketing person. Yes, and you're getting money in tons. So guys, and number 5th one is what I call drop shipping. Most of you know what is drop shipping already. You have your products, but you have your products but you don't have them with you. They're in a warehouse, and when people order, the warehouse helps you to package it, send to them, they give you your interest and they take their interest. So guys, basically you just have to be very active to know these things and do them and actually get money. Even though the money might not be so big, but it's better than nothing. It's better than just having zero pockets. Yes, so guys, try to put in one or two things I just said now. It will be of a very good value for you, especially number 4 and number 2. Number 2 is my word. I call it 2 squad. I already told you what it is. You don't do this product, you don't go to market, you don't go to Dubai, you don't go to Turkey, you don't sew clothes, but you are standing as the person that does this, and your clients believe in you because you're 100% delivering. That is the 2 squad marketing, and for me, I love that so much. And of course, the 4th one I just said, which is the e-marketing. You're just at home, at the comfort of your home, and you're making money. You're writing books of the knowledge you already know, the things already in your head. You're just putting it down in ebook, you're just putting it down, and of course on Google, and the people are reaching out, people are reading and downloading links and everything, and you're getting money out of it. So guys, that's basically what I have for you guys today. I just feel this video is very important right now, because so many people want to do something but they don't know how to start, or they just need an encouragement, or they don't know how to go about it. So I just feel this video is the right time to do this video, and I hope I made sense. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Plus, of course, share this video as well, which is the reason why we're doing this. You like it, you share it, you subscribe, it motivates us. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.